Alta Audio has announced a brand new speaker. They've announced their titanium Hestia 2. It's an update to their original Hestia loudspeaker. It is definitely made for premium audiophiles that can afford it. It's very expensive. It's $37,000. It's a loudspeaker that is one of that models that when you see it, you know that okay, this is for the big boys. It's not necessarily for people that just want something very affordable or within I would say a decent price tag. Because at this price, I think not very much of a lot of people can afford it. So it's a high quality update to the original Hestia model. So the new model, the Hestia 2 Titanium, is coming in piano black finishes. It's gonna come with an updated build. It's not too different from the original one, but it definitely looks really good for homes. It depends on the kind of home you have, because this speaker is quite massive. So there is an updated uh, new 7-inch mid-range driver that is here. It's different from the original one. It's coming with better bass performance than the original, because that's what they're saying, that you're getting better bass drivers on this newer model than the original one. You have two 7-inch lower mid-range drivers to produce your mid-range, your very good mid-range performance. And then it's going to also it's also going to have a better woofer design now compared to the original one. So Alta Audio has a new voice coil in here. It's a newly developed voice coil. Look, most of the things in here are quite new compared to the original. So they want something that is very good in terms of looks and in terms of the specs you get inside as well, considering they're going to charge you a lot of money. So that's the main reason why they are adding a lot. There won't be much of a distortion with this speaker. They made it in such a way that you're not going to have issues with distortion. The size of the woofer in this speaker is 10 inches, so it's definitely big enough for large rooms. So you're gonna enjoy it. So that's the main few details of the new Hestia 2 speaker, loudspeaker that you can purchase if you want to have it in a two-channel stereo setup. So it all depends on what you are looking for, but I think it's still a nice new product that should be intriguing for a lot of audiophiles to look at and see if it's something that they are willing to pay a lot of money to have or maybe test out. So I'm gonna drop all the main details down in the description if you want to have a look at it. So that's it. Subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.